I am here at AIWELL, a leading company in de-icing. And today I have the CEO, Tore, and the CTO, Roar, with me to explain a bit about AIWELL and how you use our radio technology. So Tore, can you quickly explain about AIWELL and what de-icing is all about?
Sure. Well, AIWELL started the company for about 35 years ago, solving ice problems on flat roof, where we detected leakages on roofing, and that was related to ice problems. So that was the start of the company for 35 years ago, where we developed roof drain system together with the automation system, basically solving the ice and snow problems on roofing. So that was the start for 35 years ago. And then we have developed further systems for solving more or less ice and snow problems for all the outside buildings, and also snow melting on ground. So that's our history.
Thank you. Roar, can you explain a little bit about for how long you have been using our wireless sub-GHz mesh technology, and also why you chose to use Radiocrafts Sub-GHz mesh networking for your specific application?
We started looking into wireless about 5 years ago, and most technical rooms are in the basement, deep underground, and we knew we needed a low-frequency transmitter, and started looking at things like wireless M-Bus. But then we need to transmit a lot of data, so that wasn't a good fit, even though the penetration was good. So at first we ended up with RIIM because it's a good balance. We get a decent throughput, but still good penetration and good range. And an additional benefit using a mesh network is that our units are distributed across a building, different floors, distributed both horizontally and vertically. So a mesh network gave a more robust network. Data could travel different paths, and we want each unit to be autonomous as much as possible and not have a single point of failure.
And how has it been to work with Radiocrafts?
It's a new technology, so frustrating at first, but with the current generation, it's maturing well, and we're happy with the stability, and it's really doing what we wanted to do.
Thank you very much.